Hey, Tex, come here.
Look at him run back in there. He...
Oh! 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 Come here.
Oh, you gotta show off. You
Come
gotta
here.
show you his toy.
Come here. Hey, come here. Oh! 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 Come here. You gotta howl for me. Come here. Oh! Come my buddy. Come my buddy, Tex. Oh! Oh! You're supposed to cry. Oh! Hey, come here. Get it. Get it. Hey.
He's rotten.
Oh! You gotta come here. You gotta howl for me. Come here. Oh! 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 Hey, come here. Hey. Oh! Boy, Tex, have you been quiet all day?
Yeah.
Has Tex been quiet all day? What? Why? Tex, what are you doing? You've been quiet all day. You're getting healthy, puppy. God, he's put on some serious weight.
Well, see, of course, he's heartworm free now.